Welcome to our top 10 countdown of the most charming and beloved farm animals. From fluffy to feathery, these creatures bring life and joy to farms everywhere. Get ready to discover which animals made the list. Kicking off our list at number 10, we have the humble goat. Known for their curiosity and agility, goats provide milk, meat, and even fiber like cashmere to many farms worldwide. At number 9, meet the trusty sheep. These woolly animals are essential for their soft fleece, which is sheared to make clothing and textiles around the globe. Coming in at number 8, it's the hardworking pig. Pigs are valued for their meat and intelligence, often considered some of the smartest farm animals. Number 7 on our list is the sturdy donkey. Known for their strength and endurance, donkeys have been loyal working animals on farms for centuries. At number 6, let's talk about the classic duck. Ducks are raised for their eggs, meat, and feathers, and enjoy waddling around ponds and farmyards. Number 5 brings us the friendly horse. Horses have been farm companions and workmates for ages, admired for their speed, strength, and grace. At number 4, it's the indispensable cow. Cows provide milk, beef, and leather, making them one of the most important farm animals worldwide. Claiming the number 3 spot is the cheerful chicken. Chickens contribute eggs and meat, and their lively personalities are a farm favorite. Coming in at number 2, the industrious turkey. Turkeys are raised mainly for their meat and are well known for their distinctive plumage and gobbling sounds. And finally, at the number 1 spot, it's the iconic farm animal, the pig. Representing versatility, intelligence, and charm, pigs play a crucial role on farms from all over the world. And that's a wrap on our top 10 farm animals you can't help but love. Which one stole your heart? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching and visiting the farm with us today.